In the heart of modern craftsmanship, a quiet but powerful transformation is taking place, a movement that breathes new life into what was once considered waste. Recreating industrial wood to profitable woodcrafts for modern homes is more than a design concept. It's a celebration of renewal, creativity, and the endless possibilities hidden in forgotten materials. In a world driven by rapid production and disposable trends, industrial wood, from old pallets, beams, and factory remnants, is finding new purpose as the foundation of eco-friendly, meaningful, and highly profitable home decor. It's a story of reinvention, where the rough and rugged are refined into something timeless, where sustainability meets artistry, and where every reclaimed piece tells a story of resilience and rebirth. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of industrial elegance to create high-profit, eco-friendly design ideas from reclaimed wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Industrial wood carries with it a raw authenticity that modern materials often lack. It has lived a life before supporting structures, framing factories, or serving as part of machinery that once powered industries. The scratches, dents, and weathered surfaces etched into its fibers are not flaws, but fingerprints of history. When crafters and artisans reimagine these pieces, they do more than shape wood. They preserve the essence of a bygone era. Each creation becomes a poetic balance between past and present, a tangible reminder that beauty can emerge from decay, and value can be found in what others overlook. This philosophy lies at the heart of sustainable woodworking, where purpose, creativity, and profit coexist harmoniously. Reclaimed industrial wood's appeal extends far beyond nostalgia. It brings an unparalleled aesthetic depth to modern interiors, blending the rustic character of aged timber with contemporary design sensibilities. When old factory planks are turned into sleek dining tables or wall art, the result is something more than furniture. It's living sculpture, rich in history and texture. The interplay of rough grain and polished finish captures a kind of authenticity that modern consumers crave. In a marketplace saturated with mass-produced goods, these handcrafted pieces stand out as statements of individuality and intention. They bridge the gap between luxury and sustainability, offering homeowners a chance to express both environmental consciousness and refined taste through the decor that fills their living spaces. Yet, the beauty of this creative movement lies not only in aesthetics, but also in its practicality and profitability. Recreating industrial wood into home decor offers remarkable opportunities for entrepreneurs, makers, and small business owners alike. The demand for sustainable, handcrafted products is surging, driven by a growing awareness of environmental responsibility and the appeal of authentic craftsmanship. Consumers today are willing to invest in designs that carry a story, that combine ethical production with emotional value. For creative individuals, this shift presents a golden opportunity, transforming salvaged industrial wood into desirable, high-value items that not only enrich homes, but also generate meaningful income. Unlike many commercial ventures, the entry into this craft-based industry is refreshingly accessible. Industrial wood is often available at low or no cost, sourced from deconstructed buildings, shipping pallets, or discarded machinery. What others discard as scrap becomes a goldmine for the creative mind. With vision, patience, and craftsmanship, these materials can be reimagined into everything from minimalist furniture to elaborate artistic installations. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Each reclaimed creation becomes an embodiment of ingenuity, proof that success doesn't always come from abundance, but from the ability to see potential where others see nothing. The result is an eco-friendly business model that's both sustainable and scalable, capable of turning passion into livelihood. But this process isn't just about profit, it's about purpose. Every time an artisan transforms a weathered industrial beam into a functional or decorative piece, they participate in a cycle of renewal. They reduce waste, honor the natural resources that produced the wood in the first place, and create something that inspires connection. In this way, woodworking becomes an act of environmental stewardship, a small but significant contribution to the global effort towards sustainability. It proves that creativity and conscience can coexist beautifully, and that every handcrafted object can carry with it a message of hope and respect for the planet. The emotional resonance of working with reclaimed industrial wood also runs deep. Each piece carries a tactile history that connects the maker to something larger, to the labor and industry of generations past. The process of sanding, cutting, and refinishing these materials is an act of both creation and restoration. Economically, the potential of this craft continues to grow. Online marketplaces, local artisan fairs, and social media platforms have opened global audiences to the work of independent woodworkers. Consumers from all over the world are now able to connect directly with makers who create from reclaimed materials. Moreover, the act of transforming industrial wood aligns perfectly with the shifting priorities of modern design, where imperfection is celebrated and character outweighs uniformity. Each knot, split, or uneven tone tells a story that new materials simply cannot replicate. This uniqueness gives every piece an irreplaceable charm, turning furniture and decor into heirlooms that age gracefully over time. In this way, industrial woodcrafts embody a design philosophy that values longevity over trend, pieces that not only survive the seasons, but grow more beautiful with them. Ultimately, the practice of recreating industrial wood into profitable home decor is about more than making things, it's about making meaning. It challenges us to think differently about waste, to recognize that creativity and sustainability can exist side by side, and to understand that success built on authenticity is the most enduring kind of success there is. When we work with reclaimed materials, we are reminded that innovation doesn't always require invention. Sometimes it simply requires seeing the old in a new light. The future of modern woodworking belongs to those who honor the past while shaping what's to come. In every reclaimed beam or worn plank lies a potential masterpiece waiting for the hands of a craftsman to uncover it. Through vision, care, and imagination, forgotten industrial wood becomes something greater, not just decor, but a symbol of resilience, creativity, and harmony with the earth. Recreating industrial wood to profitable woodcrafts for modern homes is not just a practice. It's a movement, one that proves that the intersection of sustainability, art, and entrepreneurship is not a dream but a reality being built, one handcrafted piece at a time. In every creation, we find a reminder that transformation is possible, that what is discarded can rise again, that value can be reborn, and that true wealth lies not in what we consume, but in what we create. When wood once used for labor becomes art for living, it completes a cycle of renewal, turning forgotten fragments of industry into the heart of modern homes, where beauty, meaning, and profit coexist in perfect balance. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked industrial elegance to create high-profit, eco-friendly design ideas from reclaimed wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.